This comment is saying how to add multi-frame generation for Ghost of Tsushima for any GPU. Today's sponsor is our website Nodix Tech. Every download link in this video are going to be there. So how to do it? Just download those files from the website, this file of course, then extract. You will find those. Go to Streamline, copy everything here. Go to the Ghost of Tsushima folder location, main folder, then just paste here. Replace, of course, we are updating the main game, Nvidia Streamline, then go back again here, get version.dll, then paste here. If version.dll doesn't work for you, try those one by one. Now what you have to do is launch in your game. Here go to option, then display, go down and make sure that you enabled DLSS frame generation. You can't enable this on any GPU, even AMD or Intel. So go back again, press this key in your keyboard. You can open now this menu. As you can see, first option you have to enable is Ghost Booster. Go to the override, set it wherever you want. For me, I prefer the best latency or quality, also it's good. MFG mode override, set this to X4 or X3, wherever you want. Those extra options are not going to speak about them in this video. Interface, you can enable stats bar, as you can see here. Now you have to restart your game to apply the multi-frame generation override. Okay, after restarting the game, it looks amazing. As you can see, frame rates are around 200, and when you play, there is no like big input latency. It's around 40, as you can see. That's pretty good. There is ghosting problem, but no one have to move the mouse with all of this speed. Everyone are playing normally. There is some problems in Ghost of Tsushima, unfortunately, in cutscenes. For example, sometimes problems happens, but in general gameplay, it looks good. As you can see, I'm playing here. This is so amazing. So, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.